Updating your payout destination on DoorDash is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your Dasher account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon of the menu button, usually located in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Account Settings to access your account information. Step 3. Select Payout Settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payout destination. Once in the payout settings, you will see your current payout destination. Tap on the option to edit or change it. Enter your new payout information such as your bank account details or preferred payment method and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout destination, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure that your new payout destination is set. Make sure to double-check your new payout information to avoid any issues with receiving your earnings. Following these steps will help you successfully update your payout destination on DoorDash.